I forgot my cards. 1 second.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
This is real magic. Watch, I have the king of diamonds. I'm going to take it, slide it somewhere into the deck like this. Take that card, put it in the center of this packet. Take this packet, put it in the center of that packet. Push it in, do a magic riffle, and it jumps right to the top. Insane. It's actual magic. Unreal. Unreal. Are you interested in magic now? I know I am. Another cool thing you can do, boom, right? I mean, come on. For fun, let's start with trick number 1. It pisses me off that I actually fell for this trick and it blew my mind how it was done, just because of how simple it is. So if you fall for this card trick as well, you're just as dumb as me, except smarter. Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. Now, just to show you, by the way, the cards are not set up in any particular order, or, you know, there's nothing crazy about the cards. I'm just gonna take the cards, give them one more shuffle like this. Alright, now check this out. I'm gonna hand you the deck and give the deck a cut anywhere you'd like. So let's just say around here. Now I'm gonna take a look at the spot you cut to. I'm gonna take a look at the 4th card from the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, I got this card. Now that card's gonna help me determine the 4th card from the top here. And I think the 4th card from the top here is the 9 of diamonds. So watch, 1, 2, 3, and 4, the 9 of diamonds. How unreal is that, right? Right? All right, now let me do this one more time just to show you that it wasn't a fluke. But even if it was a fluke, the chances of it happening are quite low. So, you know, it's fine. All right, even if cards fly off, that's fine. We'll figure it all out in the end because it's what we do. All right, we'll do this one more time. Again, you can give the deck a cut anywhere you'd like. I think I bent my cards. Give the deck a cut anywhere you'd like. Let's say right around here. Take a look at the 4th card. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna help me determine the 4th card from the top here. I think it's a Queen of Spades. Let's watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Queen of Spades. How is that? How is that? It's magic. That's what it is. Okay. So if you were not able to figure this trick out, welcome to the club. But it is just amazing how it works and how it just sets itself up to be done over and over and over again. So that might be a giveaway. But before I actually talk about, you know, how it's done, a little bit of background on this effect. I saw this on MissMag822's channel. Shout out to the OG, maybe about like 7, 8 years ago. And then I recently saw it again. I'm like, oh yes, this is the one. It fooled me so many times. It actually makes me mad that I got fooled so easily. So anyway, nothing too insane, no setup, no nothing required. All you're gonna do is start by flipping over the deck and show the spectator that we have a normal deck of cards and the cards are not set up in any order. Generally, magicians say to not do this because it arouses suspicion, but I think for this effect it's fine because you're showing the spectator that you know, the deck could have been set up in some kind of order, but it's completely random. You can even have them shuffle it up. So as you're doing this, you're quickly going through the cards. You're going to take a look and memorize the 4th card from the top. For us, that is the 3 of spades. So again, just doing it really quick, memorize the 4th card from the top as you're going through. Turn it face down and now give the deck some shuffles. So I like to give it first a riffle shuffle. And make sure as you're doing the riffle shuffle, you want to maintain at least 4 of the cards on top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 5, did 1 extra. That's fine. And then you shuffle it in front of the spectator. It makes it seem like a very believable shuffle and you maintain that card 4th from the top. You could even do a false overhand shuffle. I guess this is where it kind of gets a bit more advanced. But you can do a false overhand shuffle by tossing over a pack of cards, in-jogging these cards like this with your thumb. And I have a full tutorial on this, by the way. I'll put the link on the screen. Throwing the rest over, doing the normal shuffle. This is a bit exaggerated, but you're going to now come down, push forward, and have this giant break here. Shuffle or throw the cards over until that break. Throw the rest over, and the 4th card from the top is still the 3 of spades. So now that this is done, throw the card down, or throw the deck down on the table, have them give the deck a cut, and now you're going to take the packet that, the area, the location that they cut to, look at the 4th card from the top here, and make sure you let them know that you give the deck a cut, or they give the deck a cut anywhere they'd like. Take a look at the 4th card. Do not show them. You're going to take a look at the 4th card from the top, and you're going to memorize it. In this case, it's the 2 of diamonds. You memorize the 2 of diamonds, put it down. So now you have 2 cards memorized, 2 of diamonds and the 3 of spades. You're going to pick this half up, or you can even tell the spectator to do this. Count down to the 4th card, and you're going to tell them that it's going to be the 3 of spades. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 of spades. Oh my God, it's insane. How is that even possible? Now you can repeat this effect because you know the 4th card from the top here already, which was, what was it, two of diamonds, right? 2 of diamonds, you already know that card. So now I just come in, do the same exact thing, shuffle until, again, 4 cards here, put those together, Exact same shuffling procedure, overhand shuffle as well. Remember to keep that in jog, get to that point, and then you showcase, well, I don't showcase this, but I'm gonna show you 2 of diamonds is forced from the top. Again, they can cut anywhere they want. Repeat the same procedure, and you can do this as many times as you want. 2 of diamonds, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's the 2 of diamonds. It pisses me off that I did not get this. Insane. Trick number 2 is what you should do. Here's one of the first card tricks that I ever learned. So we have a card selected completely at random. It is the 7 of hearts. I'll take it, leave it somewhere right in the center. You can see going right into the center of the deck. I'm not holding any breaks or anything anywhere. I'm gonna put this deck behind my back. I'm gonna try to reverse your card at its location. All right, I think maybe I've done it, so watch. All the cards are facing the exact same direction except for one card. And oh my God, is that your card? It is the 7 of hearts. Trick number 2. I've stopped doing behind the back type card tricks, but if you're a beginner, I think this is a really good place to start. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna start off this trick. If you want, you could do a setup. You can set up by reversing the bottom card. So the card on the bottom of the deck, just reverse that, and then you can get started. Have a spectator go ahead and select out a card. Let's say this one right here. They select it, it's the 3 of spades. Have them show this card to everyone. As they're showing this card to everyone, all you're gonna do is turn this deck around. So it's like this. You can do it in a very casual manner as well. You don't have to, and don't make a big deal out of it. If you make a big deal out of it, like, that's gonna get you caught, all right? So just be very casual about it. You can, do this. And again, you're doing this under the misdirection of the spectator showing everyone their card. When they come back to you, you insert it. Don't riffle through, don't cut the deck anywhere because that'll, be a dead giveaway. Take that card. As his deck is closed, insert it anywhere. You can have the spectator do this as well. And then I'd like to show that card is actually being inserted and put it in. From this point, you can either put it underneath the table here, you can put it behind your back, and all you're doing behind your back is flipping over the top card, or top card, turning this deck down. That's it. And you're bringing it back, and you're showing, oh my lord, there's your selected card, the 3 of spades. I am pure magic. Trick number 3. Is where it be. The amount of minds I was able to blow with this card trick actually blows my mind because it's nothing too insane. Like, watch. I'm gonna riffle through the side of the deck, tell me when to stop. Let's say right around here. We'll take the card at that position. It happens to be the 2 of clubs. You can take the 2, put it anywhere you want in the center. You can push it in, do whatever, okay? Fair enough. And I'll even give the deck a shuffle just to be as fair as humanly possible that a magician can be. And we flipped a few cards over by accident, but that's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna riffle through the side one more time, and you're gonna call it stop wherever you want. We're gonna stop at that exact spot. You ready? Right here, okay? Now watch. This should be your selected card. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What was your card? That's right, 2 of clubs. Magic. I missed the camera and the card fell behind my desk. Now this last one right here was my go-to in high school. So straight up like 13, 14 years ago, this was my go-to. Whenever I did card tricks, this was among my top 2 that I've always done. It incorporates 2 main principles. One is the double lift, and the other is the slip force. And I'll show you both of them. And if you think the slip force is too difficult to do, then I'll show you another force called the topsy-turvy force, which is much easier. So you're gonna start off by doing the double lift. Now in my, well, what's going on? Why are cards flying? In my performance, I did the center double by Dan and Dave, where I'm riffling through the side of the deck. When someone calls out stop, I actually riffle 2 cards and I bring them out if I'm paying attention. Riffle 2 cards, bring them out like this, show that it's the 2 of spades, and again, it's actually 2 cards. If you're not super advanced, all you can literally do, you can make it very simple, straightforward. No one ever gets this unless they know what they're looking for. Use your thumb of your dominant hand to count 2 cards from the back right here. Show it like this. Make sure you square up this corner with your pinky finger and these 3 fingers here. Thumb on the bottom, show the card like this. 3 of hearts. And then you can take the card, the top card, right? So again, you've done 2 cards, you've done a double lift to show that to the spectator. Their card's a 3 of hearts. Now on top of that, there's an arbitrary card, King of diamonds. You don't show this to them, but you say, I'm gonna take the 3 of hearts, put it somewhere in the center, or you can have them put it in the center depending on how comfortable you are with them. But least case or worst case, have them push it in themselves so it seems like it's lost. Now again, I like to do the controlled overhand shuffle just to show to the spectator that I'm shuffling up the deck and it seems very fair. And the card could literally be anywhere, but again, the 3 of hearts is still on top. Keep that in mind. And now here's where you can do the slip force. Slip force, which is what I did in my performance, and there's also the topsy-turvy force. So for the slip force, you're gonna riffle through the side of the deck. You're gonna call out stop. Now you're gonna grip this card with these 3 fingers. Your middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger is gonna grip this card, while the rest of the deck here, this again top half, you're gonna pull out and up. So you're gonna pull out and up like this, and you'll see that the card kind of appears at that spot because once again, it gets pulled out, as you can see. And doing this up to speed is almost imperceptible. I would recommend practicing it at slow speed first, just so you get the handling on how to do it. But as you get better and better, right, you're doing this in front of the spectator like this. I'm gonna stop right here. Okay, there's the card, 3 of hearts, your selected card. You call that stop anywhere you wanted. You did everything, but the card has been found. So again, it's really cool. The amount of people that fall for the slip force is insane. It's wild how it works. One more time, here we go, just for fun. Queen of hearts. Tell me when to stop right here. Oh my god. Oh look, there's the Queen of Hearts. Amazing. And like I said, if you find the slip force a bit too difficult to do, you can also do the topsy-turvy force, which you have the card on top, right? The 10 of hearts. You're gonna riff through the side of the deck. When they call out stop, you're actually gonna split here like this. Grab with your middle finger and index finger. Turn this around into your dominant hand and move this towards the spectator. So what you're literally done is you've rotated the top packet like 360 degrees, and you've put this towards the spectator, showing them their own card. So again, slow motion, it looks like this. And up to speed, it looks like this. So it looks very believable either way that you do it. And again, unless someone knows exactly what they're looking for, they will not catch you. You will be uncatchable. Yep, that's the perfect word. That's the exact word I wanted to use. And there is no trick number 4. No more. I'm in a very rhymey type mood today. Not sure if you can tell, but I'm a poet and I didn't even know. Anyway, if you want to learn the trick that I shared with you at the beginning of this video, you can click right here. It's a very, very nice card control, super clean. Rarely anyone has been able to figure it out. So check it out. It's not that hard to do. Aside from that, thanks so much for spending your time with me. Love you guys. Have a great day ahead, and I hope to see you in the next one. Deck drop.